Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this absolutely juicy, flavorful baked chicken recipe. This recipe is so easy to put together and it tastes so good. Before I show you guys how to make this recipe, please do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up for me if you enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here because you're gonna want to see more of these type of recipes. Also, leave a comment what you think about this recipe, and let's jump right in to this recipe. All right, guys, let's begin. I'm starting by using a whole chicken. I'm going to cut it up. However, you don't have to use a whole chicken, okay? You can use thighs, drumstick, breast. You don't have to use a whole chicken. It's just this chicken been sitting in my freezer and I'm like, tomorrow I need to make lunch, and I'm taking this out of the freezer the day before, and that's what I did, and we are making lunch right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the chicken. As you can see, it's very easy to cut up a chicken, and it's cheaper too to buy the whole chicken and cut it yourself. I usually buy the pre-cut chicken, especially when I'm making recipes. But if I'm buying it to make food at home, I usually buy the whole thing. Yeah, I save money and I feel like I can use all the part, make me a nice chicken stew. Okay, but once I'm done, that's the breast. Once I'm done, I am going to use the remaining parts and make myself a good old chicken stock. I'm going to add some celery, carrots, and garlic in there, and just make myself a delicious homemade chicken stock. This part right there, very good. So now, moving on, I am going to squeeze 2 lemon. Not a lot of juice, just enough. It's not going to make it sour, like I always tell you guys. It's just to balance everything. This will give it a nice citrus flavor, but not too much, okay? Now, what we're about to do with this lemon juice, we're going to make a marinade. So I'm going to add all these seasoning in there. I'm using onion and garlic powder, paprika, Italian seasoning, dry parsley, ground black pepper, a little bit of creole seasoning, and as well as some adobo seasoning. Such a perfect combo together. Now you can add some melted butter in there. However, I use oil, so add that in there until it's nice and runny, not too thick and not too runny. You see the consistency, like a pancake consistency. Then you are going to pour the marinade all over the chicken. Now it's time to get your hands dirty and rub that seasoning all over the chicken, just like that. Make sure you really get in there. If you want, you can cut that drumstick away from the leg. Let me tell you, this is one of the easiest meal, easiest dinner you can ever make. Like, this will be done in about an hour. So now I am going to place the chicken to my baking dish. Now, tell me this chicken is not well seasoned. It's seasoned from head to toe. Okay, nice and flavorful. So place that there. Now the chicken is looking absolutely beautiful. We are going to bake it on 375 degrees for about an hour. And once 1 hour is up, this is how we looking like. It's looking absolutely mouth watering. Look at that. Beautiful. Now all you have to do is grab yourself a side. I don't know if it's mashed potatoes, rice, vegetables, just grab yourself a side. So good. Of course, if you want some kick, you can add some pepper flakes or cayenne pepper in there. But let me tell you, take it from me, if you don't make anything I made, this recipe is it. Oh my God, let's try this chicken. I haven't tasted at all. Been waiting for this, so let's give it a try. The thigh is the most delicious part to me. All right, guys, let's give this a try. It looks so good and juicy. Mmm. Wow. Never miss. It's so flavorful. Mmm. Oh my God. When I tell you I did not even let this chicken marinate, so bomb, so flavorful. It has the crispy skin. Oh, just so good. I'm telling you, try this out. Thanksgiving is coming. If you're not making a turkey, try this baked chicken out. You will love it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video for me if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, fam.